Hi everyone, right, this is a really quick video because my sister Joanne, she put several kits together, so I'm going to share those with you now. Now she called this the Senorita. Let me just check I got the name right. Yes, it's the Senorita kit, and that's because there is a Senorita here. Look, a dancer. It's got all sorts in it, and it's all black and red and a little bit of gold. So it's got this fabric, which is the black lace. It's got trimmings in red, flowers in red, some more trimmings there, trimmings. It's got necklace in red, so you just cut the beads off. They're like a teardrop bead. Flowers, red feathers. There's 3 different pictures in case you don't want to use it as a Senorita one. Some berries, black beads, heart fabric. There is a wooden reel for you to MDF reel there. Some red organza, some wadding if you want to make that a padded plaque or something. Some red seed beads. You've got some red bling here. We've got more black trims, red applique, another red necklace, another red applique there. It is quite a full kit. I mean, it's really hard to show it, so I'm just going to go like that to show you that kit. Okay, and that's going to be on the shop any minute when I finish editing this film, but stay tuned because I've got some more, so stay on this video and keep watching. There's more to come. Hi everyone, right, this is the second kit, and let me just see what the name is. I've forgotten already. The Midas Mix. It's called the Midas Mix. I don't know why, it just is. This is another one that Joanne's put together. Again, it's got some of the wadding. You've got gold, it's gold and black. Ribbons, lace, trims. Beautiful black, that's double that. So I've not got it all out, but it's a nice big piece of the gold and black floral. You've got a black canvas, you've got that canvas, you've got wide material, you've got bling, cream doily, seam binding, beads, a nice gold necklace that you can take apart, a black and gold bracelet. You've got some cream satin, you have a chipboard piece, you've got some gold leaves, some gold trim. Underneath you have a really wide black gathered lace, the one that we use for when I'm making bows, or that trim, that bow trim. This one is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layered. See, it's 5 layers. Underneath that you've got some gorgeous black lace. I don't know if you can see it. See if I can do this so you can see it on my hand. That's double that as well. It's a huge piece. And then you've got this particular piece, which is just like a fan. It's just gorgeous. And some more trim here. So that's and some little button things there, some little flatbacks. So that's another large kit, and I'll be back in a minute with another one. Stay tuned. Right, this is the blacks. I forgot what did you call it, Joe?
Ebony and Ivory.
Ebony and Ivory kit. Say morning, Joe.
Good morning, people.
There you go. And this is absolutely, it's chocker, as you can see. And those that are buying these kits are all saying the same thing. We've got a handmade flower there as well. So we've got some, oh, I didn't notice them. Small and black, small and large roses. Black roses. We've got some appliques here with lots of different trims. This is gorgeous, one of my favourites. You've got some wadding underneath. You've also got some fabric. You've got some earrings here. They've put them in because they're black and silver. Some glass teardrop beads. Gorgeous necklaces. Some beautiful trims. Nice big roses. The flat ones, they're over 1 inch wide. They're about 40 centimetre. 40 millimetre they are. Gorgeous trims here. With a layered one here. It's got a satin underneath, which is pleated, and then on top of that it's got like an organza. Loads of guipure ones. A gorgeous pearl what do they call it? Mother of pearl. Yeah. Some fused beads, but they're like a rice bead. Gorgeous little bracelet that can either be worn or taken apart, completely up to you. Different feather trims, and you've got 3. You've 2 feather trims, so that you've got the small and the large feather. You've got a pearly necklace there, and this, they're all loose feathers, they're marabou ones. So I'm just going to look at that. All you do is blow on them and look at it. So that's those. What else have we got? The pink is not included, just so people know. But yeah, lots and lots of trims and bits and pieces there on that kit. And these large diamante things. They're only acrylic, so they can be sprayed. They can also be painted. And this gorgeous trim here. And then you've got the double-sided one there, double-edged. And this lace, Joe's just showing us that lace as well. Nice big chunk of that one. There's another one.
It's under the fence.
Yeah, I'm just going to show you this one. This is our new lace. I'm waiting for another lot to come in. See that? We have it in, or we're getting it in red, black. Can't remember what the colour. There's 4 or 5 colours of that, and it's all due in. I'm just waiting. Is it at customs now? So, there you go. Absolutely gorgeous kit again. And we've one more to do, I think, which is the ebony kit. Oh yeah, like Joe's just pointing out there, is you're getting this, which is an MDF large, like a spool, but you can use it as a plaque, or you can hang it as a wall hanging. So there you go. That kit will be on the shop shortly. Stay tuned, keep on this video, there's one more to come. Right everyone, I'm just going to share this one with you. Joanne's just finished putting this one together. So we've got some black feathers here, the marabou feather, and she's also put in some black feather trim. And we've got the chiffon ribbon, we've got the 2-inch wide gathered, we've got that gorgeous chain effect one, this one which is beautiful, we've got the sheer ribbon, the satin ribbon. You've got this double one here. It's a double layered. It's satin underneath and it's pleated, and on top it's gathered. You've got your beady things there. Lots of bling in this one. Some beautiful flowers. These are rolled roses. And then we've got these as well. They're like paper daisies. That, you can see the trims there. She's put some gems in for you. There's 6 stick pins there that are, I think, are they black and grey, those? Yeah. And this gorgeous applique. It's a big one. And we do sell these on their own for $9.99, but I'm including it in this kit. You've also got another one of those spools, wooden spooled MDF. You've got a gorgeous pin here, which you can alter yourselves. More jewellery. And a black and... well, it's black and silver, greyish, isn't it? It's really mouse. Then you've got all this big, it's a massive chunk of fabric underneath, it's lace. And you can see, it goes all the way over the table like that. And then, what are these, Joe? There's 3.
Triple layer.
And that's a triple row necklace.
And morning beads.
Morning beads are there. That's the Victorian morning beads. And you can tell by the clasp that they are vintage. And then this one you can cut up. And you've got lots of different beads on that, and some crystals as well, and some large pearls. These can be taken apart. There's just lots and lots in that kit. As you can see, it's a big kit. So that will be on the shop. Now that's 4 kits this morning, all on this video, but go to the shop if you want them and grab them while you can. And this one's the ebony kit. So if I remember rightly, in fact I'm going to disturb my sister. We've got, this one's the ebony kit. There was an ebony and ivory kit, was it, Joe?
Yeah.
Then there was the senorita kit. And what was the last one? No, not. Oh, we've still got the mermaid's fancy kit. But there was another one, wasn't there? But is it down there?
The Midas mix.
The what?
The Midas
Oh,
mix.
the Midas mix. So they're the ones that we've got. The Midas mix, senorita kit, the ebony and ivory kit, and the ebony kit. If you want those, go to the shop and buy them there. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.